Hey guys, it's jdeeuh and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a summer try-on haul. I've been going shopping every now and then, just picking up a few things, and I decided that I should make a video showing you guys what I've gotten for the summer. I went to Pacsun, Forever 21, Hollister, and Lululemon, and got a couple of things from those stores. Guys, I just got my nails done. Look at how cute they are. I don't know if you can really see, but they're orange tips. Recently, for some reason, I decided I kind of want to change my style up a bit and just be more adventurous with the clothes that I got. So the clothes that I did get kind of are like a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I do like them, and hopefully you guys like them too. I'm going to be going to California in like 2 weeks, so if you guys want to see a really big clothing haul, give this video a thumbs up. I definitely think I'm going to be doing some shopping there. Hopefully I'll go to Brandy, Melville. I've been really wanting to go there super bad, so yeah. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button so you guys can see my haul coming up in a couple of weeks from when I go to California. I also made like a little goal for myself that if I hit 3,000 subscribers, I will buy myself a Canon G7X. That camera is obviously really expensive, and I think that like having a goal for myself is really good, and I think that 3,000 subscribers is a nice goal to hit, and like a camera would be a good reward for that. So hit the subscribe button so I can get myself a new camera without feeling bad. For size reference, I'm about 5'2", 5'3", and I'm a size 0/25 of the waist in jeans. I also weigh around 122 pounds. I don't know if that's important information. Maybe that'll help you guys out in case you guys want to buy any of these clothes. I'll try to link them down below if I can find all of them online. So let's first start off with Pacsun. So I'm going to start off with what I got from the Brandy Melville section from Pacsun. The first thing I got is this white top. Wow, it's super white, but it's just like a plain white shirt, and it has like this little lace design on the bottom. I forgot what it was called. I'll put it on the screen along with the price, but I really like this shirt. I don't have really modest shirts, so this is nice for when I go to California with my family. The next shirt I got, I am in love with, and it is this like periwinkle blue top, again from the Brandy Melville section of Pacsun. I think it's literally the cutest thing ever. It has like a little scrunch in the waist, makes your boobs look, it looks super cute. I just am obsessed with this color for some reason. I just bought some Lulu shorts this color, and I'm like in love with it. I don't know why. Might be my new favorite color. This next piece I got is super weird for me, really out of my comfort zone, but for some reason I kind of love them. It's these shorts, and you're like probably thinking, oh, just some jean shorts. They're like long-ish. I don't know if this is long for other people, but this is long for me. I think that they're kind of like biker style shorts, but like jean shorts. I love them so much. I don't know what the size is exactly. It's the John Galt size medium. I think they're so cute though. The only thing is my legs are kind of thick. Ew, I hate saying that. My legs are kind of wide, and so the bottom is tight on me, but I think that they're super cute, and I just love them. For some reason I picture them with like white Air Force Ones and like a crop top, even though I don't have Air Force Ones and I don't know what crop top I'd wear with them. But yeah, super cute. Definitely would recommend these. And the last thing I got from Pacsun are these paper bag shorts in like a light wash color. I had originally gotten them in the darker wash, but when I came home and like tried them on, I wasn't really a fan, so I got the light wash. And I also got these in a 24, and I usually am a 25. I just thought that it fit better in a 24. I don't know. I've seen these a lot on Pinterest with like girls who are super tan and then they wear a white crop top or like a bathing suit top, and I think it's super cute, so I decided to try them out. Again, kind of out of my comfort zone, but like real cute, so that's okay. I'm so dumb and literally didn't notice this until I got home, but they left the security tag on it, so I have to go back and get the freaking tag off. This is the second time I've gone to Pacsun and they've done this. The next place I went was Lululemon. Might be my favorite store. I'm really addicted, which sucks because their clothes are so expensive. I only got one thing from there, and it is this gray tank top. It's like a racer back tank top. It's just gray, I don't know, super plain, but I really have been wanting a Lulu tank top. I have a white one, but I don't really like it that much, so I got a different style this time. This is the Swiftly Tech racer back, and this is a size 2 in case you guys are wondering. So the next place I went was Hollister, and I got 2 things from there. The first thing I got was this light blue periwinkle-ish, my new favorite color, top. It's like thick strapped, which is really cute. I haven't really seen this that much, but it's kind of just like a straight cut crop top, and it has like the ribbed pattern on it. Really like this shirt a lot. I think it is super cute. The last thing I got from Hollister was this bathing suit, and it's just this white bathing suit, and it has like gold accents in the back. It's a straight cut like the shirt I just showed you guys, and it has the ribbed pattern again. I'm just into that, and I really wanted a white bathing suit because I think white is just super flattering on my skin tone, and this is the only one that I found that I just really fell in love with, so I got this one. The last place I went was Forever 21, and I got just these bathing suit bottoms. They have like these black stripes on the side. I don't know if you can really tell, but there's like one on the front and one on the black, one on the back. I thought these were super cool. I haven't really seen any with this kind of like pattern or design on it. Again, just white because I think it's super flattering on me. And I tried to get some that were more modest in the back compared to all my other ones because going on a family vacation. So that is all for the things that I got. As you can tell, it's all blue and white, so I guess that's the color theme that I'm going for this summer. Literally all I got was blue and white things, which is kind of sad, but what can you do about it? Like I said earlier, if you want to see a really big California clothing haul, give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so you can see that when it comes out. I want to try out tons of new stores, so comment down below your favorite clothing stores, either online or like in-person shop. I really just want to try out new places and try out new styles of clothes. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this haul, and hopefully you guys liked the clothes as much as I do. And with that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!